Hi everyone, Mike here. Today I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to get started with Arduino. So Firstly you need to go on Arduino.cc and you need to download the Arduino Ide. So this is one of them here. So it's something you can download. So I have a tutorial explaining you how to download it and also how to install it. So that's something pretty nice. And also you need to have one Arduino board. This is one here. That's called the Arduino Uno. And also you do need you don't necessarily need it, but that may be really helpful. So this is the one of what I'm going to show you tonight. You may need a breadboard, you may need a resistor less than 1 kilo ohm, you need a diode, a LED, so that electroluminescent diode, and you need some wires as well. So that's how to get started. So if you don't know nothing or nothing, if you haven't coded a lot in your life, so one of the first things you may need to do is to, when you open your Arduino board, you go to File here, and you go to Example. And here you're gonna have a bunch of examples of how to use different components with the Arduino board, how to use sensors and so on. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go to Basic and we click on Blink. And after that, you should have opened one of the Arduino code. Let me put it for you. So with all of this, I think it's this one. Okay, there it is. So there you go. So it goes like that. So when you open an Arduino code, you have two things that you need to remember. This one is called void setup. These things are created automatically, and void loop. So void setup is the first thing that is done when the Arduino kind of start. So you can declare all the pins that are on the board. So I don't know if you can see here are all these pins that goes from 1 to 13, and here you got A0, A goes to A5. This we talk about it another time, but here we got all these pins. So these are digital pins, so they're 0 or 1, meaning they're 0 or 5 volts. So when it's at 0 you have nothing, and when you have 1 you have 5 volts. So I may use that to control the diode, so turn on the diode or not. So let's take a look at void setup. So you have pin mode. This is a way to declare if you want to use one pin or another one. So if I want to use a pin 11, I'm gonna put 11 here, and I put it as an output, meaning I want to control something, meaning like you push in a remote. So it's to control the TV. If you want something in output, meaning you're expecting something from outside. Let's say you have I don't know, you have a sensor that you want to see if you have a sensor that control if you have if you're going through something. If you're going through something, the sensor gonna send 1, and it will come back. So that's one of the way to do it. You can put an input. Well, that's it for today. After that, I explain you what LED built-in pin means. Before that, I want you to go there. So you go to void loop here. So what it does, if you read well, it says digital write LED pin built-in high. So you're trying to put the pin at level 1. We wait 1 second, and after that we go the same thing again. We put it at level low, meaning 0, and we wait 1 second. And void loop means the code will do that all the time. This is everything you put here, you're gonna do all the time. See if I change, you're gonna do that all the time. And here we got LED built in. So that's one of the specificity of this board. Here we got the lady. I don't remember which one. It's one of, I think it's this one. It's already built in, so we don't need to add an external diode here, like here. So I can turn on and off this diode without having something like that. But I just want to show you that for the example. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do, you need to have an USB cable. That's it. And you need to have the Arduino board. There it goes. I'm gonna do it like this. So you plug the Arduino board there. It goes like that. From there you click on verify, so it should be okay because it's coming from the Arduino. It's already pre-made. Done compiling. After that you go to tools, and then you go to board, and you choose the Arduino board, Arduino Uno board. This is I have the Uno. If you have the Arduino Mega or 2560, those are pretty popular as well, so you can use those. After that you choose the port COM that appears. Yours may be COM4, COM3, COM5. You choose it. When you've done that, you go there and you click on upload. That should be it. So you can see that it's uploading and it's blinking now. So now I don't know if you can see, but okay, you can see. Yes, you can see. The diode is blinking with a rhythm of 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can change the frequency of the blinking by going there. And let's say I want to put 500. I put 500 here. I put 500 here. So it should blink a bit faster. So when you've done that, you need to click on upload one more time. Here. You see there, it's uploading and it's blinking now. So you can see here, I don't know. Let me take a look if you see something. You click a bit faster compared to before. Before it was like 1 second, like it clicks twice, it blinks twice in 1 second. Let me change it a little bit. Let me put 200 milliseconds. So 1000 is 1 second actually. 500 is half of a second. Like now it's 200. It's gonna be much faster. Take a look yourself. Yeah. So this is how people usually make things blink. That's a pretty nice way to get started. Now, let me go back there. I promised you to. Usually, this is where you put the pin that you want to use. So here I put. Let's say I want to use number 11. I put 11 here. So I remove everywhere you got LED built in. I put 11. So that's the pin. I want to use the pin 11. I'll show you in a second, so you're gonna have a better idea of what I want to do. 11. And let me upload it. Let me verify it, so if we don't have an error first. And now I will upload it. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do? So I put in serial the diode here and the resistor. So I put the pin 11 on the plus. So you have those two pins, the plus and the minus, along the pins in the plus. So I put the pin number 11, I'm sorry, on the bigger side. So you have the resistor here. So we have a resistor for 220. It will work well. And up we do a serial thing. And the other side of the minus of the diode, I put it on GND. Should go like this, GND. So you see it's blinking like the diode, the built-in diode. So this is if you want to use an external diode. So if you want to put a lot of diodes, on pin 11, on pin 7, on pin 8, and so on. This is how it's done, and you can change the frequency however you want as well. So I think that's all for today. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it, share it, comment it. I really appreciate that, and see you soon for another tutorial. Thank you.